Kata? How do you feel that you are being youngest assembly MLA in Goa? And,
Uh, it feels very good. I would like to thank the people of MAPSA for making this possible, for giving Goa its youngest MLA. I think the Mapshakars are known for giving Goa something for the first time every time. So, thank you, the people of MAPSA, for letting me be the youngest MLA in the Goa Legislative Assembly.
how you feel holding the certificate here?
What's that?
How you feel holding the certificate?
Oh, it feels like a achievement. I owe this achievement to my father. I think he would be very proud of me to have done this, and it is only because of his goodwill and his blessings that I am able to hold this in my hands today.
Thank you.